Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
Yes, we'll see a wine list, please.
Yes. Just scroll down, push, and that's any questions you have.
Thank you. Tell me about your Bella cart.
Biocart Salmon Brut Rosé Champagne is priced at $240 and boasts a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. This is a very fizzy and bold champagne, high in acidity. It is complemented by strawberry, raspberry, grapefruit, and pear notes. This champagne has a value rating of 3, which is an expected value for its price. We recommend pairing with pork, rich fish, shellfish, and mild cheeses. What else would you like?
That sounds really good. We should get a glass.
Okay. What wine pairs best with a ribeye?
I recommend the Cakebread Cabernet Sauvignon, priced at $205. This is a very bold wine. It's on the dry side with a slightly strong acidity and has a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Another recommendation is the Adriano and Victoria Barbaresco, priced at $76. This is a very dry, bold wine, high in acidity, and has a 3.8 out of a 5-star rating. Both the 4.4 Cakebread Cabernet and the 3.8 Adriano Barbaresco are an excellent value for their prices.